Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video I will share with you my book from 209 to 2017. Okay, let's take a look.